Hi guys, today I'm going to attempt to make slime using clear shampoo and salt and also clear shampoo and sugar, and see which one is a fail or which one is slime is good. So I took a container with sugar and clear shampoo. I took the container and added clear shampoo to it. That's great. Then I took sugar, give it a good stir until bubbles form and sugar dissolves. Okay. So the sugar is melting fast. That's great. I hope this slime works. And I'm going to add more sugar to the shampoo and wait until mix until the sugar dissolves. Yeah, I think the sugar dissolved. Yeah, give it a good stir and then put it into the freezer for about 15 minutes, and we'll see the results after the shampoo is kept in the freezer. So now I brought the slime from the freezer and I'm going to give it a stir. So yeah, it's forming like slime, it's looking, but not really exactly. So it's like coming together and it's too facey. Yes. Yep. So I will give it a good stir. It looks like a cream, shaving cream. Now I'm going to take it in my hands, like it doesn't stick little. Okay, I'm going to take it out of the container. It's sticking. It's sticking to my hands. This is not a slime. It's all sticking and melting. I can truly say it's not working at all, and it's a total fail. So the last slime didn't work, so now I'm going to try it using salt and not sugar. So I took the clear shampoo and poured it into the container. Then I took the salt and I added exactly 2 pinches of salt to the shampoo and gave it a good stir until bubbles form. Yeah, it's like turning slime. But no. Okay, it's forming before putting it into the freezer. Okay, let's see. I will give it a good stir and then put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Okay, now I gave it a very good stir for about like 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's time to put it into the freezer. Okay, so see you after that. So I brought the slime from the freezer and I'm going to give it a stir to test it. Yeah, it forms slime. Okay, I'm going to put it all together and remove it from the container. It's not sticking, like it's little stretchy but not as that much. Yeah, it's not sticking to hands that much, like yeah. Okay, now it started to melt. It's not stretching, not a good slime, but this is better than sugar and clear shampoo. That didn't even work, but this worked a little, like for 10 seconds. Yeah, I will say. And see, oh, it's all not sticking to hands, not stretching, not doing anything. And the bad part is it doesn't even make sound. Yeah, it sticks to hand, everything. It's now like sugar and clear shampoo, like last slime. It's a total fail. See, it messed my hands. Oh my gosh, yuck. See, in the container also it melted, so we can say like nothing. Bye. Hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, please give it a like and comment. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing slime testing videos. So bye.